Hello and welcome back to another episode of Play and Learn. My name is Kathleen and I'm so glad you came to join me today. Today we'll be making a craft. We'll be making a St. Patrick's puppet. For this craft you'll need a paper bag, a pen or pencil, scissors, glue, googly eyes, and felt, or you could use paper. So the first thing we're doing is we're tracing out all the shapes we're going to need to make our St. Patrick. The first thing we're doing is making a circle. This is going to be his face. Once you've got that, we're going to use the same color to make his hands. Now we're going to use green and we're going to trace out the shape that we want his outfit to be. Now we're cutting out a yellow strip to go in the middle. And now we're making his hat. Next we're doing another yellow strip to match the one in his outfit. This one's going to go on his hat. Now we're cutting out a staff. Now I'm just putting everything together to make sure I like the way it looks. And we can't forget to make his beard. I did this by cutting a heart and then cutting a slit out of the middle for his mouth. The last step is going to be just to glue everything we cut out together. Did you know that St. Patrick is the patron saint of Ireland? Legend says that he scared all the snakes out of Ireland. Now that we've got everything glued together, we're all done. You have your St. Patrick's puppet. Don't forget to tune in next week and check out the rest of the series, where we learn words from the Irish language, read books, and make crafts. Until next time, it's time for me to say slán. That means goodbye in Irish. Slán!